Hey guys, so today we're going to discuss delivery commissions, takeout commissions, menu markups, and how that whole process ties in together. So basically, you're going to go to any restaurant, and in this case, let's do this test restaurant. We're going to navigate to the financial tab. And now we have our delivery commissions, our takeout commissions. So these two fields are going to specify how much is the restaurant basically paying you as a delivery service for your services, right? In this case, we have a 15% commission for delivery and 10% commission for takeout, and this is based on the food subtotal, excluding additional fees, delivery fees, and everything else, right? Now that's pretty simple. You put a percentage in, you're done, right? And that's how the financials are gonna roll down. Now from here, you have a markup type, so you can either do it by a percentage or by a fixed amount. Okay. So the fixed amount will apply a markup to every item that you have on a menu. So this is useful for very specific suit cases. Like, for example, if you have a donut shop that wants to raise prices of all the items by 50 cents or $1, right? In order to kind of like save some of the commission and take that off. But in most cases, you're going to use percentages. So what does this mean? So the markup percentage is how much of a percentage are you applying to each item. So in this case, let's say that the restaurant wants to pay 5% delivery commission, right? What you can do is you can put this markup percent to 10%, and you can collect the 10% from the customer and effectively charge the restaurant 5%. Or you can do it another way around, where you are charging 15%, but you're letting the restaurant pick up the markup, right? So you're just playing around with numbers to get to a point where it makes sense for your business. Now, the markup rounding, and there's a great example in here, basically tells you on how much is an item going to be rounded up, right? Is it going to be by 0 0.01, 0 0.09, 0.10, like whatever number it is you want to put down. Here's a great example. If you enter 49 cents and the marked up item price is 5.28, it will be rounded to 5.49 because that's the closest number, right? Because if it was below, if it was 5.23, it would still round up to 5.49, right? So from here, you have two other fields that are important. You have the markup restaurant percentage, and basically the what percentage of the markup will be remitted back to the restaurant. And this is where I said, like, you can play around with numbers to make this work for you and for your restaurant partner. And then you can determine, like, if you are collecting sales tax, is the sales tax going to be collected by the restaurant or by the RDS, meaning your restaurant delivery service. In most cases, you're going to have the restaurant take care of that because they're the ones who are actually selling the food. You're processing the orders. So we hope this helps. There is one more thing that I'm going to quickly mention here, is that if you go to any restaurant, right? Let's just say we go to this one and we go to this item. What we can do is we can change the markup structure from based on restaurant markup to a specified price, right? So what you can do is you can say, okay, we're raising prices in this restaurant by 10% across the board. And you do that, but then what you can do is you can go and they can say, oh, but our steaks cost us way more, so the price went up twice as much, right? So like we need a 20% markup on that item. So what you can do is you can switch this to specify price, and then you can actually put a different price from the base price. Okay, and that's what's going to show for the customer. So yeah, a little trick for you guys if you need to deal with like specific items. But we hope that helps. If you have any other questions, reach to us on Slack and leave us a comment. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.